So I think this is going to be the last step of this LSMW session recording, and for the run batch input session, just as we've been doing, just click on execute, and it will enter into this mode. This is how the batch input session overview looks like. Now you can see this like an overview. There's new, there are tabs, and all that. So if there is any error, I think it will appear under incorrect, something like that. So if you check under incorrect, there's nothing here. So if there is any error with your transaction, it will show here. You can delete and start all over, but ensure that what you are recording is correct. What you are expecting from the user, you check them to ensure that they are correct before you start uploading them. Or you have to somehow manually maintain them by yourself with the Excel sheet to ensure that what they are actually inputting is correct. Because any mistake, this is where you might have the problem. So you go back to the overview and click on session name, highlight it, and click on process button. Okay, at this point, if it's your first time of trying, you can choose process in foreground. If it's maybe you're okay and you're good with it, you can choose background. That means it should run without you knowing that it's run, just update you that it's done. But if you want to see what's going on, which is what I want to do now, to show you what's going on, I'll choose process foreground and then click on process. Alright, it will pop up this screen. All you have to do at this point is click on OK button, just like that. It will start and ask you for some stuff. Now I'll take it off this screen so that you can see what's going on. Okay, this it will now be imputing all the records that we maintain. So just keep clicking on equipment general data, accepting it. Now if there was any error when we were doing normal process recording, just click on accept at this point. That will continue. Environment display not supported for selected object. There's no problem. Continue. Yeah, this will ask for a problem. You just keep going. Enter on the keyboard. That's okay. It's done. Go to the next screen. This is okay. Fix that in. Accept it. 20. Okay. It's creating the first equipment. Now it's done with the first one. To now start the second one. Enter on the keyboard. Now if there was no error if you maintain your cost center well and it's not asking for any of this error, it will just go through without disturbing you. So that's why sometimes continue here, accept this, and we are done with the second one. Go for the third one, equipment. Now if you choose background, you won't be having to be clicking on this button all the time. It will just run on its own, and in less than no time you will see. So maybe I will maintain another set of equipment, then you can see that. Or should I start all over from the beginning? I think I have to start all over from the beginning. That should be the last uh, recording in this series. Okay, we are almost done. This is 5. Then this is equipment number 4. Okay, we're good. Pop up, we'll continue. Oh, guy, I'm recording now, please. Okay, this is the last one, and I think we are good. I hope this particular video is not too long for me to upload. I should try, sure. Okay. Okay, this. Okay, this. Okay, this. Enter. Do this. Do this. This. Do this. Okay, this. Okay, this. Okay, this. Okay, this. Alright, so we're good. You can now click on session overview. So let's say that we are good. You can see the status. It has a green tick. Let's check on that processed. Yeah, we're good. We check under incorrect. Yeah, it makes sense. So at this point we are done with this. So let's go to another session, and I'll show you what we've done so far. IH01. Okay. BS. Oh, let's just enter BS and then we execute. Oh, let me go back. I didn't take equipment installed, equipment hierarchy, and then you now click on execute. So if we jump to BSL3, blue, here is our equipment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see, this was one we used in recording then. We now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's how you do equipment upload. That's how you do LSMW with equipment. So you can use LSMW for anything. Anything, I mean anything. So I'm going to run this again, but this time I'm just going to be very fast. So you just follow me just like that. Okay, so that's the end of LSMW. You can see, we can look at this equipment, everything that we maintain, they're there. So I'll stop this recording now.